Journey into the maze of language, adverbs of place versus prepositional phrases. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we're going to embark on an interesting exploration of the English language. Our topic of the day is adverbs of place versus prepositional phrases. Understanding these concepts can really help you fine-tune your English usage, whether you're writing or speaking. So, let's dive in. To start off, we should know what adverbs of place are. These are words that give us information about the location or direction of an action. They answer the question, where? Some common examples include here, there, up, down, everywhere, outside, etc. For example, in the sentence, John is waiting outside, outside is an adverb of place, telling us where John is waiting. Now, let's look at prepositional phrases. A prepositional phrase starts with a preposition and ends with a noun or pronoun, which is called the object of the preposition. They can function as adverbs, answering questions like where, when, and how. Examples of prepositional phrases include on the table, at the park, in a hurry, etc. For instance, in the sentence, she is waiting at the park, is a prepositional phrase that tells us where she is waiting. So you might wonder, how are adverbs of place different from prepositional phrases? Let's get this sorted. 1. Composition. Adverbs of place are single words, while prepositional phrases are groups of words starting with a preposition and ending with a noun or pronoun. 2. Function. Both can tell us where an action occurred, but prepositional phrases are more versatile. They can also tell us when or how an action occurred. 3. Specificity. Generally, adverbs of place are less specific than prepositional phrases. Outside, or here, is less specific than at the park, or under the tree. Remember, it's not about which one is better, but understanding when to use each can make your English more precise and expressive. And there we have it. A journey into the maze of language, looking at the differences between adverbs of place and prepositional phrases. Remember, mastering these subtle aspects of language can really elevate your communication skills. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and you'll find that the world of English grammar isn't as daunting as it seems. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this video has been helpful, and we're excited to see you in our next one. Until then, happy learning!